Hello friend, myself R.D. Mahajan, Assistant Professor MIT Aurangabad, presenting my next video on the topic change to polar and evaluate. Example, change to polar and evaluate double integration of x cube with respect to xy over the area which lies outside the circle x square plus y square minus ax is equals to 0, but inside the circle x square plus y square minus 2ax equals to 0. Here both the equations are given in Cartesian form. We try to compare it with the general equation of the circle to get the radius and the center and radius. Therefore the first one is x square plus y square minus ax equals to 0. Comparing, we get 2g is equals to minus a. It implies g is equals to minus a by 2. 2f 0, it implies f equal to 0, and therefore the center is minus g minus f. Here it is a by 2, 0 is the center, and radius is root of g square plus f square. Therefore a square by 2 square 4, f 0, c 0. Root of a square by 4 is a by 2. And therefore if we try to show it in that xy coordinate, x-axis, y-axis, origin, the first center is at a by 2 0. Therefore somewhere here approximately, and this much radius as a by 2. Therefore with that center and that radius, if we try to draw that circle, we get one circle, inner circle. Then similarly for the second circle, it is x square plus y square minus 2ax equals to 0. Comparing, we get 2g equals to minus 2a. It implies g equals to e. 2f 0. It implies f equal to 0, and therefore the center is minus g minus f. Therefore that center becomes a0, and radius is root of g square plus f square minus c, and therefore substituting that all values, we get root of a square as e. And therefore suppose this is the point a0 with the center and this much radius. If we make that circle, we get this outer circle. Then the region of integration is outside the inner circle. Therefore we shade it outside that inner circle. But inside the outer circle, therefore inside portion of that outer circle, Okay, and then making a strip, elongated strip from the pole to that. Therefore, this much portion is not included as the region of integration. Here, I will show it dotted line by dotted line. Therefore, this is the strip, elongated strip. Then we mention the equation of the circle. Outer circle becomes r is equal to 2a cos theta, and inner circle is r equal to a cos theta. And then we try to perform it in polar form. This x-axis means the line theta equal to 0 degree. Y-axis means theta equals to pi by 2 line. This is the line theta equals to pi. It is therefore I is equals to given is in Cartesian form x cube dx dy. Then we convert it into polar form, and therefore it is double integration of x is r cos theta and its cube, and dx dy is r dr d theta. R changes from it lower end lies on the inner circle where equation is a cos theta. Upper lies on the outer circle, equation is 2a cos theta. And then moving that strip from theta equal to 0 to theta equals to pi by 2. And making twice to get that complete region. And then it is 2 times integral from 0 to pi by 2 as it is. Cos cube theta outside the inner integral, integration from a cos theta to 2a cos theta. R cube and this r, it becomes r raised to 4 and its integration with respect to r. Therefore, it is 2 integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta as it is. Performing the integration of r raised to 4, it is r raised to 5 by 5 and limits from a cos theta to 2a cos theta d theta, and therefore it is 2 by 5 integral from 0 to pi by 2 as it is, cos cube theta as it is. Substituting the upper and lower limit, for upper limit it is 2 raised to 5 a raised to 5 cos theta raised to 5 minus lower limit a raised to 5 cos theta raised to 5, and then its integration with respect to theta. 2 by 5, a raised to 5 we can take common, integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos cube theta from this two term I can take Therefore, it is 2 raised to 5 minus 1 into cos theta raised to 5 it is 2 by 5 a raised to 5 2 raised to 5 it is 32 minus 1 for here it is 2 raised to 5 32 minus 1 31 integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos theta raised to 8 and therefore it is 2 into 31 e raised to 5 by 5 performing integration by reduction formula. 8 minus 1 we get 7 by 8 6 by 5 by 6. Next is 3 by 4. Next is 1 by 2 into pi by 2 as that value of n is even number. And then simplifying it, this 5 get cancelled, 1 2 get cancelled, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Therefore, it is 7 into 31 into a raised to 5 divided by 8 into 8 into 2. Therefore, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21 divided by 64 into 2 a raised to 5 and therefore it is 217 divided by 8 6 to the 12 a raised to 5 and pi is the required answer. Okay. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it as well as subscribe to my channel for latest updates on new videos. Thank you very much.